This character that I downloaded from the link in the description is made out of vector shapes. But here in Illustrator, when I zoom in, it's actually pixelated and blurry. What is happening?
Dude, there could be multiple reasons for this pixelated preview. First, go to View and make sure Pixel Preview is unchecked. And when you create a new document, here under Advanced Options, make sure Preview Mode is set to Default and not Pixel. If that doesn't fix it, then go to View and choose View using CPU or View using GPU. Also, try switching between View Outline and Preview. If a certain effect you've applied is blurry, then go to Effect, Document Raster Effect Settings. Increase the resolution to high, and then click OK. If none of the above works, make sure that both Illustrator and your display or GPU drivers are up to date. Duh!